Hello, today what I want to do is show you my field tool maintenance kit. Now this bag and a lot of this tools I have gotten from the Apoca box. And I've got some other items as well that I've gotten from different places. But this here I can throw in a pack and have the tools I need to touch up and maintain my tools in the field. I do not carry this kit all the time. I will take this out in a backpack if I plan on staying a day or two doing a lot of projects. Most times I'll go out, do the projects I need, and return home, clean up my tools, sharpen them so they'll be ready for the next project and outing. That's what I normally do, but if I plan on a lot of hard use with my tools out there, say a day of camping or two, I will take this, just because I may need to touch up a knife and such in the field. So I carry this stone here. This came in my 2 straight knife. And this stone here is a diamond stone. And I'll just take that and run it across my blade a couple times, and that will retain its sharpness. Now I carry this right in the pouch on my knife sheath, so I always have a way to hone my blade and sharpen it in the field. Now this here, the key to keeping a sharp blade is don't let it get dull. Don't let it get to the point of being very dull. Then you have to do a lot of sharpening to get that edge back. Use it for a little bit. I test my knives a certain way. Many people test their knives a certain way. But make sure as soon as you start seeing that it start to dull, sometimes it can be as simple as just a couple strokes on both sides and it's back to that sharpness. I'm going to show you what I carry in my kit. So what I've got in this kit is, I'm just going to take it out as it's laid in here because this gets jumbled around. This here is pure mutton tallow. It's a grease. I'll take a little bit of this and rub it on my finger and rub it on my blades. After I dry my blades, I will use this to help with protection of the moisture in the air, and also it helps protect from rust. So that's one of the things I use for storing my blades as well. I'll put a thin layer of this on them just to help prevent rust. Second, this is a Schrade diamond sharpener. Works very well. I've used this quite a bit and I really like it. Pocket size, you throw that in your kit and you go. This here I've got in the Apoca box. I use this a lot as well. And these are a 3 grit diamond sharpeners. Coarse, medium, and fine. These are great. I usually just take them like this and I'll just touch up my blades like that and I'm good to go. Next, what I have in here is a needle style diamond sharpener. It's great for doing serrations and such. Comes in handy. That's Schrade as well. I've got this here which has a ceramic and a carbide sharpener. Comes in handy at times. I don't use it much. This here is some polishing compound in there. In here there's some polishing compound. And then I have a strop. There's a coarse side and a fine side. And a lot of times I'll just go like this here for my strop. And that's all it needs. So that's just some examples that you can carry in a maintenance toolkit. That's what I've been carrying, and it gets what I need done. That's the gist of it right there, is that it covers my needs and I can throw it in a pack and go. Being able to have a sharp tool can prevent accidents, and it can make your project or what you're working on a lot easier to do. I want to thank you for watching. Take care and all the best.